So what is a sharp edge? Well, empirically, a sharp edge cuts the way you want it to cut. So if I'm cutting a sandwich, I can use a butter knife because the finish that's left behind and the job at hand is easily handled by a simple butter knife. But if I need a polished, smooth surface and a precise cut, I need something a lot, in wood, I need something a lot sharper. So the technical definition of a sharp edge is two surfaces that meet at an edge, which is the sharp edge, of zero radius. So zero radius, however, is a theoretical thing. There is no such thing because it has to be made out of something. So the closest we can get to zero radius is the diameter of the smallest particle in the steel, whether it's a crystal or a molecule or an atom. There still has to be something there, and that has a certain radius. So technically, there is no such thing as sharp. There is only dull and duller. So how dull is it? Again, the same definition applies. When an edge stops performing the way you want it to, it is dull and it's time to resharpen it.